Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying whether the PDF is a scan or contains selectable text. This matters because OCR adds a step. Next, pick a tool. Use OCR software for images or export text from native PDFs to preserve layout. Set your source and target languages, choose UTF-8 encoding, and an output like docx or xlif. Doing this now speeds the rest, because once you have editable text, you can move directly into machine or human translation without fighting layout or character errors. Once you have editable content, run a machine translation pass to get a full draft quickly, while maintaining a glossary to protect names and technical terms. Then use a CAT tool or your layout editor to import the translated xlif or docx, making sure text frames and styles match the original. Pay attention to right-to-left scripts, expanded string lengths, and image captions. This step reduces reflow issues. You'll fix visual displacement and keep the document faithful to the source before final review. You finalize by proofreading or commissioning a human reviewer to catch context errors, numbers, and cultural nuances. After corrections, export the file as PDF, embed fonts, and test on multiple devices and at varied zoom to confirm layout integrity. If things go wrong, check for OCR misreads, missing glyphs, or text reflow. Run OCR again with higher DPI or swap fonts and re-export. Make sure to preserve searchable text for accessibility and future edits. This prevents repeat work later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.